Hi, this is Mike Pariente. I'm here at the Pariente Law Firm PC at the Howard Hughes Center. I'm in my conference room, and I wanted to talk to you today about what do you do if you get a call from law enforcement. You get a call from a detective. The detective tells you he or she would like you to come down to the police station to give your side of the story and clear up a few things. Is that a good idea to go and talk to that detective? The answer is generally no. The reason why the detective is calling you is because he or she thinks that you did something illegal. They're investigating you for something. So if you go down to the police station and you talk to the detective and you make admissions, you admit to the crime, then you're going to be in a situation where you're very likely going to have your statements used against you. The reason why they don't have to read your Miranda warnings is because when you're in the police station voluntarily, and you've just come down there to quote-unquote give your side of the story, you don't have any rights at that point in terms of the right to an attorney because you're not in custody. You're free to leave. And Miranda only applies when there's custodial interrogation. So the question is, what do you do when you get that call from a detective or a DEA agent or any federal law enforcement officer or even a Las Vegas Metropolitan Police officer? The question is, what do you do? And the answer is, I recommend you contact an attorney right away. It's not a good idea, based on my experience, for you to just go and speak with them without having legal counsel. The reason why is because law enforcement officers are trained in how to question you and how to get you to admit things that you wouldn't otherwise admit to. They go to school and they learn how to do this in their police academies. There's something called the Reed interrogation tactics that they know and they use very effectively to get you to make statements that you wouldn't otherwise want to make. So if you are in that situation, if you've been contacted by law enforcement and they're asking you to come and talk to them, I recommend you call me first at 702-966-5310, and then we can go from there. The other question people ask me is, well, if I hire an attorney, isn't that going to make me look guilty? No, what makes you look guilty is being arrested. You have every right to hire an attorney, and a DA will not just file charges against you because you decided to hire a lawyer. It's totally inadmissible in any court whether or not you've hired an attorney. It's inadmissible, doesn't have anything to do with your guilt or innocence. So if you're in that situation, you received a call from a federal law enforcement officer or a Las Vegas Metropolitan Police officer or a Las Vegas Metropolitan detective, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to talk to you.